Hi guys, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So as you can tell by the description, today I am making my own homemade lip scrub. The reason why I want to make a lip scrub is just because these temperatures in the city of New York are very foreign to someone from Charlotte, North Carolina. So yeah, of course it gets cold in Charlotte, but this is like another type of cold. When it comes to the cold, yeah, I need to fight all possibilities. So I've been doing research to try to figure out how to keep my skin moisturized from head to toe. And one thing that I really wanted to try was a lip scrub. And I don't want to be the girl with the dry, chapped lips. Like, that's not cute, you know? Like, and then it's even worse when you're trying to put on a matte lipstick, but then you see all those creases in your lip. Like, no, 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 honey. So the ingredients that we'll be using today to make our homemade lip scrub are coconut oil, pure honey, and some amazing brown sugar. The utensils that you'll need to make this is you'll need a mixing cup, so where you're gonna put your ingredients, and honestly, this is just for the aesthetic, that's why I have two, but all you need is really one tablespoon measuring thingamajig. So I like to work kind of like backwards when it comes to the consistency. So I want to work with because if you do liquid first, especially if you do honey, then everything's going to stick to it. So I'm going to work with the brown sugar first, then I will get the coconut oil and end up with the honey, which I can actually just squeeze in here, so that's pretty good. All right, so let's see. So all you need is, this is like really simple to make because all you need is 1 teaspoon of everything, or 1 tablespoon, sorry, TBSP. All you need is 1 tablespoon of everything. So first you're gonna take 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, dump that in there. As you can see, then you're gonna go to the coconut oil, and I'm not even gonna lie, this is the coconut oil that I use on my hair. But we need 1 tablespoon of that. I think that's good. Oops. Get it all out. There we go. And then, last but not least, 1 tablespoon of the honey. This would help to open up the honey. So let's open it up. So we're gonna squirt 1 tablespoon in here. There we go. There we go. You just want to scrape it all out, and I guess I need to make sure to keep it inside the bowl. And there. So now all you want to do is just, it's really gooey, mix the contents together. So this is what it's gonna look like, and then you want to just mix everything together. And of course everything's gonna stick, and it's okay. And this is enough to like last you for a moment. And here you go, your homemade lip scrub. So yeah, it doesn't look really visually appealing right now, but it's okay. At least you know what all went into it, and you can hope that your lips will thank you. So this is the lip scrub that I made, and it consists of brown sugar, coconut oil, and honey. And all you need, honestly, super simple. And I had all these ingredients, like I said, already in my house. So I put them together really quickly. This is a lot. I mean, yes, I have big lips, but they're not this big. So you can actually store this either in your refrigerator or in a cooler temperature for up to a month. So that is really cool, so that you can, you know, continue to use it. I would recommend probably doing your scrub, if you like, at least once a week. Being in these cold temperatures, I'm probably gonna do it probably twice a week, just to make sure to like really rid my lips of the dead skin. But yeah, so what you do is just first you want to make sure to wet your lips. So let's go wet them really quick. I am back and my lips are dripping. All right, so after you wet your lips, you're just going to take some of the scrub that you made and rub it on there. And it feels so good. And the cool thing about this, oops, is that if something happens to get in your mouth, it's okay. You know why? Because it's all from the kitchen. All from the kitchen. Well, the coconut oil I use on my hair, but it's okay. Okay, so, ooh. So, you're just gonna sit this on your lips. And you're gonna let it sit for about, oh, it tastes good. I'm trying not to eat it, but it tastes good. Like gently massage it around for like 30 to 60 seconds. Alright, so they feel definitely softer. I don't know if you can really tell the softness, but yeah, they feel a lot softer. However, they're still a little dry, so I had to put some coconut oil on it after wiping it off. If you are suffering from, you know, dry, cracked lips, it's not going to, you know, magically work on the first application. So yeah, definitely save the contents that you make and use it the next go around. Use it, you know, consistently, and I'm pretty sure that you will definitely see a difference. I'm gonna try to use this, like I said, at least twice a week to hopefully see some improvement on these babies, because you can't have cracked lips in 2018. Like, as a female, you can't have cracked lips, period. You know? So for 2018, let's live a crack-free lip life. No, seriously though. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can find a lot of recipes on how to make your own homemade lip scrub. This is the one that I just wanted to make just because I had all 3 of those ingredients already. But feel free to try any of the recipes that you find. I'll be sure to tag below some cool recipes that I saw, and just let me know if you try them. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what lip scrub you've tried, and also if there are any brands that you like particularly that already have lip scrubs, let me know. Maybe I can check them out. Till next time, loves.
Inspired.